my dear students. How are you all? I hope all of you are fine. I am Shahina. I am your basic science teacher. Today, we are going to start our first science class in this academic year. Before that, I warmly welcome to all in my class. Okay, let's move to our chapter. What's our chapter name? Our chapter name is Cascades of Life. What? Cascades of Life. Cascades of life. Yes. We know that there are so many kinds of living beings on the earth. We know that there are so many kinds of living beings on the earth. In the last year, in 5th standard, we learned so many kinds of animals. Do you remember that? Good. So, can you say the names of some insects? Yes, can you say the names of some insects? What are they? Yes, dragonfly. Yes, beetle, ant. Okay, next. Yes, butterfly. Okay, we know that so many kinds of insects. Next, can you say the names of some reptiles? Yes, what are they? Yes, snakes, lizards, chameleon, and crocodile. Yes, we know that some reptiles names also. Next, we know that a lot of birds names. Okay, yes, what are they? Yes, dove. Yes, then parrot, crow, sparrow, turkey. Yes, next. Yes, hen. Like that, there are so many kinds of birds. We know that there are so many kinds of birds name also. Next, do you know what is mammals? Yes, we learned in the last year. Yes, what is mammals? Mammals are creatures which give birth to young ones and feed milk. Yes, what? Yes, mammals are creatures which give birth to young ones and feed milk. Good. Do you know that? Yes. Is it a human being is a mammal? Yes. Yes, human beings mammal because human beings give birth to young ones and feed milk. Okay. Next, all of you say the other mammals. Yes, what are they? Yes. Dog, cat, goat, elephant. Yes, whale, dolphin, bat, tiger, lion, giraffe. Oh, it's too much. We know that. So many kinds of animals also. Next and last, do you say the names of some plants? Yes, we know that so many plants. Yes, what are they? Yes, coconut tree, banyan tree. Then, yes, a mango tree. Next, yes, what are they? Yes, aloe vera, neem, amla. Like that, so many kinds of plants also we know. Yes, like that, there are so many kinds of plants and animals around us. Like that, there are so many kinds of plants and animals living around us. Big, small, different colors, different shapes, and so on. Yes. Do you have science diary? What is science diary? Yes, your basic science note is your science diary. All of you take science diary and write this question. Yes, what is our question? Try to write down. Try to write down the organisms given below. Try to write down the organisms given below in the order of their order of their size. Write down the organisms given below in the order of their size. Let the biggest be the first. Let the biggest be the first. So, first one, goat. First one, goat. Then elephant. Goat, elephant. Next, camel. Camel, ant, and horse. What is the question? Try to write down the organisms given below in the order of their size. Yes, goat, elephant, camel, ant, and horse. Yes, all of you try to write down this. Yes, are you know that? Yes, which is biggest animal here? Elephant is the biggest animal here. Next what? Yes, the order of their size. Next what? Yes, camel, elephant, then camel, then horse, then what? Yes, goat, the last ant. Do you understand this? Yes, first elephant, camel, horse, goat, and ant. Here, elephant is the biggest animal. And what is the smallest creature here? Yes, ant is the smallest creature here. Yes. Next, is ant is the smallest creature on the land? Is ant is the smallest creature on the land? No, there are so many other animals or other creatures have in the world smaller than ant. Yes. Then how can we see the creature smaller than ant? How can we see? Yes. Do you know what is this? Yes, this is hand lens. This is hand lens. Yes. It is used to produce magnified image. It is used to produce magnified image. Do you see like that? Understand this? Yes. Yes. Do you understand this? Okay. So, hand lens is used to see organisms smaller than ant. Hand lens is used to see organisms smaller than ant. Next, we are going to study about what? Microorganisms. Microorganism. Okay. Yes. Microorganism. Do you hear microorganism? What is that? Organisms. Microorganisms. Yes. What is microorganisms? Organisms that cannot be seen by our naked eye. Organisms that cannot be seen our naked eye are called microorganisms. Understand? So all of you say, what is microorganisms? Yes, organisms that cannot be seen by our naked eye are called microorganisms. All of you understand? Yes. Then how can we observe microorganisms? Do you know? How can we observe microorganisms? Yes. Do you know what is this? What is this? Yes, this is a microscope. This is a microscope. Yes. So, this microscope is used to observe microorganisms. So, microscope is used to observe microorganism. What? Microscope. Microscope is used to observe microorganisms. Yes. Then Can you drink water from canals or ponds? Can you drink? No. Why? Because it's not pure. Because it's not pure. And other reason? Yes, let's see what are they. Yes, if we take a drop of water from canal or pond and observe through this microscope, we can see that some organisms moving in water. We can see that some organisms moving in water. Let us see what are they. Okay. Yes, all of you look at the picture. Yes, what is first one? Amoeba. Then paramecium. Then euglena. These are organisms seen in water. These are microorganisms. It can be seen only through microscope. So, first one amoeba, paramecium, then euglena. What is amoeba? Amoeba is an organism which have not definite shape. Then paramecium. Paramecium is slipper shaped and covered with a hairy structure. Paramecium is slipper shaped and covered with hairy structure. Then euglena. Euglena have long tail. But small organism. So, do you understand this? Yes, these organisms, these microorganisms we can see in water. Why? While we observe through a microscope. When we observe through a microscope, we can see that this amoeba, paramecium, euglena. Okay, all of you understand this? Like microorganism can be seen only through microscope. All of you understand this? Yes. Do you know other microorganisms? Do you know? Yes. Virus, bacteria are also microorganisms. Virus and bacteria are also microorganisms. Are you afraid by hearing virus? Are you afraid? Yes, coronavirus is just one of these virus. Coronavirus is just one of these virus. So, don't be afraid. You let's be careful. Okay, don't be afraid. Be careful. Okay, in this time, I would like to say something about this coronavirus or COVID-19. Okay. Yes. So, all of you take it instruction given by health authority seriously. All of you take it instruction given by health authority seriously. So, all of you wash your hands. All of you wash your hands with soap and water. And next, all of you use mask when you are going out. Use mask when you are going out. And all of you keep social distance. All of you keep social distance. So, all of you be safe and follow this instruction. Yes. Okay. Next, I am going to give a homework for you. Not one, two homework for you. First, all of you draw these pictures in your science diary. What are they? Amoeba, paramecium and euglena. All of you draw these pictures in your science diary. These pictures have in your textbook. Okay. All of you draw these pictures in your science diary. Next. Then, second question. What is the second question? Write down the organisms. Write down the organisms Write down the organisms given below. In their size, in their order of size, in their order of their size. Order of their size. Yes, first one, cat. First, cat. Second, frog. Cat, frog, butterfly, cat, frog, butterfly, elephant and tiger. Tiger and elephant. Tiger and elephant. Do you understand this question? Yes. Write down the organisms given below in their order of their size. Cat, frog, butterfly, tiger, elephant. Yes, which is biggest one, which is smallest one? Do you know that? Yes, you write down this your science diary. Yes. Then next, what have you learned today? Yes. What have you learned today? Yes. First, microorganisms. Microorganisms. What is microorganisms? Organisms that cannot be seen by our naked eye. Organisms that cannot be seen or naked eye are called microorganisms. Okay, very good. All of you know this now. Okay. Next, what is microscope? Yes, this microscope is used to observe microorganisms. Microscope is used to observe microorganisms. Amoeba, paramecium, euglena, or etc. are the examples of microorganism. Understand? Amoeba, paramecium, euglena are also the examples of microorganisms. Yes. Do you understand my class? Have you liked my class? Yes. Thank you. Thank you so much.